He was the one who could remove obstacles as Sankat Mochan, but contemplating Janki's condition, he himself became overwhelmed with emotions. In any war, if you know the nature of your enemy and their way of thinking, you have already won half the battle. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 7, Chaupai number 2 and 3, through which we will watch the conversation between Bajrangbali and Vibhishan. पुनि सब कथा विभीषण कहई, जेहि विधि जनक सुता तह रहई. तब हनुमंत कहा सुन भ्राता, देखी चहऊँ जानकी माता. जुगत विभीषण सकल सुनाई, चले पवन सुत बिदा कराई. करि सोई रूप गयऊ पुनि तहवा, बन अशोक सीता रह जहवा. Who could know better than Vibhishan what was going on with the life of Vaidehi in Lanka for all these days? Vibhishan felt great pain seeing the condition of Sita ji. Even as an advisor to Ravan, Vibhishan advised him many times that keeping Sita ji captive is entirely inappropriate from the perspective of Maryada, that is, duty and propriety. And it also invites the wrath of Sri Ram. Ravan repeatedly went to Ashokavatika and put pressure on Mata Janki, and it certainly affected Sita ji. Tulsidas ji says, पुनि सब कथा विभीषण कहई, जेहि विधि जनक सुता तह रहई. तब हनुमंत कहा सुनु भ्राता, देखी चहऊँ जानकी माता. Once again, the entire story was told by Vibhishan to Hanuman about the way the Janakanandini was treated there. Then Hanumanji said, "Listen, brother, I want to see Mother Janki to know about her well-being." After hearing this poignant account from Vibhishan, Hanumanji's heart also became restless. He already understood that Sita ji must be enduring physical hardship and mental pain here. But when he heard her account from Vibhishan, he began to directly experience that pain. Then Hanuman, becoming anxious, said, "Listen, brother Vibhishan, I myself want to have the darshan of my mother and see what condition she is in." In fact, Hanuman started thinking that if he could not meet Sita ji now, what would be the state of Sri Ram after hearing this account about her situation? He was the one who could remove obstacles as Sankat Mochan, but contemplating Janki's condition, he himself became overwhelmed with emotions. According to Valmiki Ramayana, Sarg 13, Shlok 23, Gatva tu yadi kakutastham yakshayami param apriyam na drishteti maya sita tatastakshati jivitam. Kesari Nandan was pondering that if I go back and convey this very unpleasant news to Sri Ram, that I could not see Mata Sita, he would give up his life. Such doubts were arising in his heart, and thus Hanuman was becoming increasingly eager to see Janki. Now, Vibhishan knew all the secrets of Lanka. He not only knew the military structure of Lanka, the daily routine of demons and the guards, the arrangements made by Ravan for the protection of Sita ji in Ashok Vatika, but he also understood the nature of the demons. In any war, if you know the nature of your enemy and their way of thinking, you have already won half the battle. Therefore, Vibhishan was the most suitable person who could guide Bajrangbali on how to meet Sita ji. जुगत विभीषण सकल सुनाई, चले पवन सुत विदा कराई। करि सोई रूप गयउ पुनि तहवा, बन अशोक सीता रह जहवा। Vibhishan provided Hanumanji with all the strategies that he could follow to safely reach Sita ji. Taking Vibhishan's advice seriously, the Pavanputra took leave from Vibhishan and set off to meet Sita ji. Transforming into the same small form as he had taken when he entered Lanka, he moved forward towards the place where Mata Sita was held captive in Ashok Vatika. So from today's Chaupai, we see that Vibhishan showed Hanumanji the way to reach Sita ji. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to those who are fans of Raman. Some scholars says, what hardship did Sita ji face in Lanka? She was living comfortably with the maid servants in Ashok Vatika. However, when someone is held captive against their will, it is not just the physical pain that matters. Even in the absence of physical pain, the psychological torment of being stripped of one's freedom is worse than any suffering. And when freedom is curtailed, everything changes, from lifestyle to worshipping practices. Now see, even in India, Bharat Mata is having to change her own practice of worship. राम नाम की लूट है, लूट की पूरी छूट है, ये पूंजी बिनमोल आपकी है सारी की सारी। तो बोलो मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।